Same stuff, different how. Cracking the old caster and thing. Big old crack there. Go down there. They had trash over here. Food over there. This is the back porch back there. They got food all up on the back porch. Okay. See that board down there? It's laying it down. Yeah, jack it back up. Okay. It goes on top of it. Okay, cool. And 2 inches. Alright, this is what I had to do. I had to jack it up. This right here. Bottle jack, 4x4. Post. Another bottle jack. Lift it up. Had to cut out rotten wood. See, had to cut out the rotten wood. As you can see, there's no screws in there to hold it. The seal plate, everything. I had to do that, cut out that. This right here is already cracked, so you know how that go. You have to do that over again. The seal don't look too bad right there. Actually, don't look bad on none of it.